Hi, my name is Rob McKinney. I'm a trial lawyer here in Nashville, Tennessee. The topic of this short video clip is how to beat a DUI case in Tennessee. There are several different inquiries about how you can beat a DUI case. The first line of defense in any DUI case is the traffic stop. A police officer can only arrest you if there's reasonable suspicion to believe that a traffic violation has occurred or a crime has been committed. With the pressure on law enforcement nowadays to arrest folks with DUI, that is the first inquiry to make. Was there a valid reason to stop the car? Was it swerving? Was it weaving? Was it staying outside the lines or inside the lines? Best DUI attorney is going to look at the traffic stop first. If there is no reason to stop the vehicle, your lawyer can file a motion to suppress evidence. And what that means is, if the traffic stop is illegal, then no evidence that was gained after the illegal search and seizure can be used against you in trial. That is the number one way to beat the DUI case. Number two, look at the videotape if there is one. The videotape transports the jury or the judge back to that scene. The police officers have to make snap decisions to make an arrest. So the videotape and a thorough forensic review of that videotape is crucial. For those that don't have a videotape in your case, a thorough understanding of the field sobriety test, a visit to the scene. Was there a slope? Did you have any physical problems to explain why you couldn't do these balancing tests? You need to look at the field sobriety test and were they done properly. How to beat the breath test is a little bit harder because most people believe what a silly machine says. There are certain criteria that the police have to follow, and the main one is the 20-minute observation period. The police have to watch you at least 20 minutes before they can give you the breath test, because what they're looking for is whether you burp, belch, hiccup, or vomit during that 20 minutes. If you do that, alcohol comes from your stomach into your mouth cavity and contaminate the sample. The police have a requirement to watch for 20 minutes. If the police officer is talking on his cell phone, writing reports, or talking to somebody about getting a donut, that is evidence that you can use to try to get the breath test kicked out. Blood testing is a little bit more precise science that the police officers and the district attorneys believe in. However, it is fraught with problems as well. When a blood sample is taken, it sits in the Tennessee Bureau of Investigation crime lab for a period of time, and it's loaded up into a carousel and put into a headspace gas chromatograph, and they sample about 150 samples at a time. The way to double check that sample is, one, procure an independent sample of your blood later and have that independently tested, or you can attack the scientific method of the blood test. Tennessee only does one test for the blood, even though basic scientific principles suggest two tests, one to establish the mean and two to corroborate the mean. The Society of Forensic Toxicologists in their guidelines even recommend duplicate testing, but the state of Tennessee only does one. Why? To save money, to save time, and they really don't care about protecting the innocent.